Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'm Nur Mahiram binti Zailani, number metric S71808. So now I want to present about executive summary. This project focuses on Ikan Solok Traditional Kelantan, a home-based business owned by Puan Nurhawani Harun in Kuala Krai, Kelantan. The business has been operating for 5 years and is known for producing authentic traditional solok ikan. However, the business faces several challenges including uncertain fish supply, fluctuating fish prices, limited storage capacity, and a labor-intensive production process. These issues affect production activities and limit the business ability to meet customer demand consistently. As a result, the business may experience reduced sales opportunities, difficulties retaining customer loyalty, and limitations in future business growth. To overcome these challenges, several solutions have been proposed, such as upgrading freezer storage facilities, diversifying fish suppliers, and improving production planning and equipment. These solutions are expected to improve operational efficiency, ensure a more stable supply of products, and support the long-term sustainability and growth of the business. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum to Doctor. Today I'm presenting the project background for Ikan Solok, traditional Kelantan, and a home business run by Madam Nurhawani Harun in Kuala Krai, Kelantan. For about 5 years now, solok ikan is a classic Kelantanese dish that requires immense skill and know-how to turn fresh fish into the traditional delicate. While she has built a loyal following through Great Taste, Facebook and WhatsApp, she faced a major core issue, the unpredictable supply and a cost of fish combined with a slow production process that stopped the business from truly growing. Looking at the causes of the problem, the external factor is her total reliance on local fish supplier. She is completely at the mercy of weather and market demand. On some day, fish price shoot up or there is no fish to buy at all. Internally, she doesn't have a big freezer, so she cannot stock up when the price is good. Furthermore, the internal process itself is slow and delicate, involving cleaning, separating the meat from the skin without running it, mixing it with spice and stuffing it back together because everything is done with basic tools like mortar, pestle, and a standard blender. The bottleneck gets worse whenever order increase. Finally, the effect and why it matter. When fish price down, production hit a wall, leading to lost money and unfulfilled order. This hurt customer loyalty for a business that relies so heavily on word of mouth. The intense manually process also leaves her with no time to focus on marketing or building customer relationship. Resolving this issue is highly important because Madam Nurhawani hopes to keep the business in the family, scale it up, and eventually pass it down to her children to run it the future. Thank you very much. That's all from me.
Next, I will discuss the impact of supply and production challenge faced by Ikan Solok Traditional Kelantan. Based on the interview conducted with Madam Nurhawani, the business faced two major challenges, which are unstable fish supply and a time-consuming production process. Firstly, fish is the main raw material used to produce solok ikan. However, fish supply is sometimes limited and the price can increase significantly. This makes it difficult for the business to plan production consistently. As a result, customer orders may be delayed or cannot fulfill on time, causing the business to miss potential sales opportunity. Secondly, production process of solok ikan is highly labor intensive. The preparation involves several manual steps, including cleaning the fish, separating the fish shell from the skin, preparing the filling, and stuffing the mixture back into the fish. Since this process requires skill, accuracy, and time, production capacity remains limited. Overall, these challenges reduce the business ability to meet customer demand and may affect its long-term growth if no improvements are made. To address these challenges, several practical approaches can be considered. The first approach is improving inventory and storage management. Madam Nurhawani highlighted the need for a larger freezer to store fish and process solok ikan. This would allow the business to purchase in a larger quantity when supply is available and prices are lower. The second approach is diversifying raw material sources by building relationship with multiple fish suppliers. This can reduce the risk of supply shortage and provide a more stable source of raw materials. The third approach is improving production efficiency through better production planning and the use of more suitable equipment. This improvement can reduce preparation time, increase productivity, and maintain the traditional quality of the product. Based on the issue identified, this project has three main objectives. The first objective is to identify the factors that contribute to fish supply shortage and price fluctuation affecting solo ikan production. The second objective is to examine practical methods to improve shortage management and production efficiency while maintaining the traditional quality of the product. The third objective is to propose a suitable solution that can help the business achieve more stable production, consistently meet the customer demand, and support long-term business growth. That concludes the project background section. Thank you.
Next slide is 3.0 proposed solution. Based on the challenge identified, several solutions are proposed to improve the traditional solo ikan. First, Ms. Norhawani should invest in a freezer to store fish in larger quantity when supply is abundant and prices are lower. Second, she should diversify her fish supplier to ensure a stable supply throughout the year and reduce dependence on the single supplier. Third, suitable food processing equipment should be introduced to reduce manual work, save processing time, and increase daily production capacity while maintaining product quality. In addition, a structured production schedule should be implemented to improve workflow management, reduce delay, and minimize wastage. Finally, digital marketing through platforms such as TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp Business should be strengthened to expand market reach, encourage pre-order, and increase sale. With an estimate budget of 5,000, these solutions are expected to increase daily production output, improve customer satisfaction, and support the long-term growth of the business.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Atina binti Muhammad. My metric number is F71214. Today, I would like to present about solution, requirement, team description, team responsibilities, mission, and qualities that contribute to our team success. First, our team was formed to support the expansion and long-term sustainability of Ikan Solok, traditional Kelantan. The business has been operating for 5 years and specialized in producing traditional Kelantanese solok ikan. Our team consists of 6 members with different expertise and responsibilities. Together, we focus on improving marketing strategies, enhancing operational efficiency, solving business challenges, and supporting future business growth. Next, let me introduce our team members and their responsibilities. Mahiram, as the team leader, is responsible for preparing executive summary, interviewing the business owner, collecting business information, and identifying key challenges faced by the business. Samila and Hanisa, our researchers, are responsible for preparing the project background. They conduct research on the business environment, analyze industry needs, and identify major issues affecting the business. Aina, as the developer, is responsible for developing the proposed solution and explaining the benefit that this solution can bring to the business. Lastly, Janani and me, Atira, serve as analysts. We analyze the solution requirement, assess the feasibility of the proposed solution, and identify the technical and operational needs required for implementation. Moving to our mission is to help Ikan Solok traditional Kelantan overcome its business challenge, improve long-term sustainability, preserve Kelantanese culinary heritage, maintain the authenticity of traditional solok ikan, and support continuous business growth. Finally, there are several qualities that make our team successful. This includes strong communication, collaboration, and teamwork, research and analytical skill, and problem-solving ability. These strengths enable us to work effectively together and develop practical solutions for the business. That's all from this section. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Jani Subramanian, metric number F71522. Next, I will present the estimation of resources for the Ikan Solo traditional Kelantan business. First, the business requires financial resources with an estimated budget of 5,000 ringgit. This includes purchasing a freezer, fish supply, food processing freezer, equipment, packaging materials, transportation and marketing costs. Next is equipment resources such as freezer, mixer, mortar and pestle, food containers and cooking utensils. These tools help improve production efficiency while maintaining the quality of the product. Human resources and time management are also important because the preparation process of the solo ikan is time consuming and requires skills. So additional workers may be needed in the future to help with production and customer orders. Lastly, marketing resources through Facebook, WhatsApp, TikTok and Instagram can help extend the business and attract more customers. So for the conclusion, the Ikan Solo traditional Kelantan business has strong potential to grow because of its authentic taste and loyal customers. However, the business still faces several challenges such as unstable fish supply, fluctuating fish prices, limited storage, and a time-consuming production process. To solve these problems, several solutions have been proposed, such as purchasing a larger freezer, diversifying fish supplier, and improving production efficiency and strengthening the digital marketing strategies. So these solutions are required, expected to improve business operation, increase productivity, and to help the business achieve long-term sustainability while preserving the uniqueness of Kelantan's traditional food heritage. So that's all from us. Thank you so much.